Hi, this is Looking Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2014 Subaru Outback, stock number 6828. This ran from the 4th 2011 to the 11th 2014. It has an EE20 ZK 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, packed by a 7-speed CVT transmission. This is the EE20 ZK 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left-hand headlight, left front cab, no dents. Left front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand taillight, rear tailgate no dents, right hand taillight, right rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right front door 1 dent, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door code, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,